Hey guys, it's Nate Wood, and as you can see, I kind of broke my wrist, so I figured this would be a great time to do my 2016 bike check. Quite a bit has changed since my last bike check, so yeah, we're just going to get right into it. And starting from the top, like all my bike checks have. Right now, I have the Shadow Conspiracy Cherry Jones signature grips. I'm not sure the exact name, but I do know that they're Cherry Jones grips. I've got a let's see, Cult bar ends. I mean, they're okay. They get the job done. Not my favorite though. And moving down, I have the S&M Charlie Crumlish Foo bars in a 9-inch rise. I have a Sunday Freeze top load stem, an Odyssey top cap, Odyssey headset, the Pro version. Moving down, I've got Odyssey R32 forks, and yeah, for my wheel, I have a Sunday rim. Not sure what it is. I just know that it's Sunday. A Sunday Current tire, and then my hub is a Demolition Bulimia version 2 hub with the Demolition hub guards. And then peg wise, on my right side I have an Odyssey rifle peg, and then on the left side I've got an Odyssey M peg. And yeah, that's the front end. So moving down, my frame, obviously that's kind of moving down, is the Tree Little Buddy frame. Not sure what year I got it used. It's a 20.5, so it's kind of small for me. Yeah, so moving down to kind of the guts of the bike, I have a Arsenal Colorado pivotal seat, a United seat post, Merit P1 PC pedals, stock cranks, United Super 8 sprocket with a BSD Forever chain. And then moving down farther, I have another Sunday Current tire with a stock back wheel in an Alienation Black Sheep. Yeah, Alienation Black Sheep rim. Hub guard wise, I've got a Daily Grind Universal guard on the left side, and then on the right side I have a Primo drive side guard. And then peg wise, I've got another Odyssey rifle and then another Odyssey M peg. And I believe that sums up my bike check, so yeah, that's about it. Rest in peace, Harambe.